Guys, so I have a triple complex magnesium here, and these are the ones that my wife and I take. We just ordered them one day, and we really like, how how it really helped us personally. Now, obviously, I can't say it's gonna help everyone or how it would help other people out. I mean, everyone's body is different, so I can't guarantee anything as far as this. But for me and my wife, it did help us. It helped us relax at night, sleep better. We did notice a slight difference in with our digestive system, and so on the bottle it does mention that it does help with bone health, muscle health, nerve health, energy production, and heart health as well, right? So what you do with these is you just take 2 daily with food, and I'll show you what these look like right here. They're pretty thick. I'm not sure if you can see it, but so they're pretty thick, and you're gonna take 2 of these. Of course, you can always just take 1 if you want. But this is what my wife and I take, and we love them.